Today's Kingstonist news is brought to you by Kingston Community Credit Union, Kingston's only local credit union serving Kingstonians for over 65 years. KCCU, your community, your credit union. I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, April 21st, 2025. About 7,000 Kingston and The Islands voters took advantage of the first day of advanced polling on Friday, April 18th, according to the district's returning office. This year's high local voting numbers on the first day of advance voting closely follows a record-breaking trend that saw about 2 million Canadians voting across the country on the same day. A Collins Bay inmate is facing new charges after an investigation into the introduction of contraband into Collins Bay Institution on April 2025. The inmate was suspected of orchestrating the delivery of the contraband using a drone. The investigation concluded on April 3rd with the arrest of a 30-year-old inmate in the custody of Collins Bay Institution. A search of the cell resulted in the seizure of 2 buck knives, 23 grams of crystal methamphetamine, 54 grams of tobacco, 20 grams of cannabis, and a cell phone. In an effort to enhance voter participation among marginalized groups, Elections Canada has deployed community relations officers to address barriers to voting in the current federal election. These officers focus on outreach to communities that traditionally face obstacles in the electoral process, such as Indigenous populations, new Canadians, and individuals with disabilities. Kingston police are asking for the public's assistance to locate the person pictured above, missing 15-year-old named Dominic. Dominic was last seen on Tuesday, April 15, 2025, in the area of Hotel Dieu Hospital in downtown Kingston. Police described the teen as being Caucasian, 5'11", and weighing 160 pounds, with a slim build and medium-length curly brown hair. Soon, local Tim Hortons will be celebrating Smile Cookie Week in support of child and youth mental health programs at Kingston Health Sciences Centre. The fundraiser will be taking place from April 28th to May 4th, 2025. Each cookie costs $2, and 100% of the proceeds from Smile Cookie sales will go to local children and mental health organizations. The youth entrepreneurs of Limestone District School Board's Entrepreneurship Pilot Program gathered in Mitchell Hall at Queen's University last week to pitch their businesses and network with other budding entrepreneurs. School board alumni were invited to the event to help the students by being on a feedback panel, as well as talking about the success they found with their own businesses. The YMCA of Eastern Ontario is ready to inspire the future. That's their driving force behind the YMCA's 2025 annual campaign. The local branch said that this year's campaign aims to raise $435,000, ensuring that even more people have access to safe, inclusive, and transformative programs. For more on this story and other local news, visit Kingstonist.com. Use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.